What's up everyone, Emad here. Today we're gonna be doing a comparison. We're gonna be comparing two of the most important baits you need in your tackle box. First, bucktails. Second, the casting spoon. What's better? Let's find out. So let's compare the two before we take them out on the water. All right. Let's talk about the casting spoon first. Casting spoons are pretty easy to use, as you can see. They got a treble hook in the back. You come up to your line here in the front. And this is made by Sea Striker. All this stuff I got from Walmart, guys. So it's not like it's really hard to find any of this. This is the 1 ounce casting spoon. As you can see here, this has the chartreuse color. You know, I don't know how good the quality of the hook is, but doesn't seem to be too bad. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the casting spoon. The bucktails. Bucktails are an amazing lure. I'm not really sure what they're supposed to try to mimic in the water, maybe an eel or something along those lines, or a bait fish or something like that, but they are effective. Professional striper anglers use these all the time. I use these all the time. I've even caught catfish with these. So very good lures. Both lures are very good lures. I've caught numerous fish on both lures. All right, so the bucktail, this is a 1 ounce Sea Striker as well, bucktail. It's got the big gotcha grubs on it. Now these do need a little bit more work than the casting spoon, but for now, I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and get these things out on the water and see how they perform out of it. All right guys, so for the first test, this is going to be plain and simple ease of use. The spoon is just super easy, guys. Just pull it out of your tackle box, throw it on your line, throw it on like that. Let's see how this thing does in the water. That's the action. Very good action if it's just being slowly pulled. Let's check the jerking action here. Not bad. Kind of a slow fall. So now let's talk about castability. This is the spoon here. That was a very good cast, it felt like. Let's see here, how does it feel on the retrieve? You know, feels about as you'd expect it. You can definitely feel it, you know, playing around in the water, doing its thing. So I'm doing just a pretty decently slow retrieve, as you can see here. Yeah. I don't know, I honestly would have thought it would have gone, it could have gone out further. It should go out further with it being, you know, a 1 ounce. You know, with it being a 1 ounce lure, in my opinion. We'll see how far the bucktail goes throughout these tests. I'm just gonna get in a couple of casts here. Hopefully we'll get a bite. But yeah, So this is Windmill Point Marina in Virginia. Beautiful, beautiful place. As you can see, really, really nice boats here. This is a really, really gorgeous area, guys. I thought I had something. Still feels a little weird. Might have just got tangled up. No, that's not. Cast out to the side right quick here. So yeah, there's definitely fish jumping. It's really calm out here, so might not be fishing action might not be the best. Yeah, casting out the lures, it feels fine. Like I said, I feel like I should be able to, for its weight, I should definitely be able to throw it out further than what I feel like I am. I don't know if that's that wasn't a bad cast though. That was an alright cast. And again, we'll have to see exactly how the bucktail performs compared to this during casting and just normal, just straight fishability. I don't think we're gonna do one more cast at the wall here. I'm gonna do one more cast at this wall here. And makes a loud entrance. I'd like a smoother entry into the water, personally. I could literally hear fish jumping just like right behind me. So I don't know if y'all can see the motion. That thing got really good motion in the water. All right, let's switch to the bucktails. All right, so these are the bucktails. Now bucktails, you have to rig bucktails up. You can't just throw bucktails on. The way you rig up a bucktail is pretty simple. I like to fold back the hair. Fold back the hair like so. Then you're gonna feed the grub into the hook like so. And you're gonna come out of its back like so. And then you're gonna feed it all the way down in there. And that's it. Pretty much done. This is your bucktail. Sometimes with bucktails, these little eyelets right here will be covered up with paint. You could just break them up with a tip of another hook or something. Just use the tip of another hook and just pop a hole in it sometimes, but these are thankfully not of that variety. Close the clip and you're ready to roll. So this is the bucktail in the water. So as you can see, really good fast fall. Very, very fast fall, as you can see. Very, very fast fall. So just normal, just going from side to side. You do need a faster of a retrieve on this to get the tail to wiggle for some strange reason. But very fast fall. See how it does on the jerk. Not bad at all. This is honestly the test for me because I really want to see how far I can cast this compared to the spoon. So here it goes. I don't know, that does look like it literally cast about the same, maybe a little bit further. But this has got a fast fall to it, and you gotta go a little bit harder on the retrieve. This is a much heavier of a lure though. Even though they're both 1 ounce comparisons, with the grub, this thing has to weigh at least maybe 1.5 ounces with the grub. Like you could tell by the tip of the water. Anyways, there's a fish over there by this little sailboat. I'm gonna try to cast over there. All right, what do we got here? What do we got here? Oh, I got it. I got something. All right. Looks like the sun's starting to set. So I'm gonna get a couple more casts with the bucktail. So the reason they call them bucktails is because in the olden days, the hair was actually tied using bucktail. Hence, bucktail. So it has about the same entry. Honestly, actually a little bit even smoother of an entry than this spoon is, surprisingly. As far as what I prefer, fishability wise, I think I'd have to give it to the bucktail. It's just such a universal lure. Like, you can fish it under bridge pylons, you can fish it deep, you can fish it shallow, you could troll with it, you could surf fish with it, you could literally do so much stuff with bucktails that it's got to be my all-time favorite. And my PB catfish and my PB striper was caught using this guy. All right, guys, so I gotta say, just from fishing it, the winner of this competition for me has got to go hands down to the bucktail. Thank you so much, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Have a great one. Peace out.